So check it out, Jose Sanders, Yard Buzzards. This is the Los Angeles Hoover yard for the BNSF Railway. You know, I'm a trucker, so I have access to be able to get in here and shit. You know, I normally see a lot of these intermodals right here they're broken into and shit. People be selling them down the road. Or even when they come in here, they stop nearby these yards right here. But this is the Los Angeles Hoover yard for BNSF, the Beaumont Northern Santa Fe Railroad. I'm pretty sure you guys ride these. This train just came in, so they're trying to break it down right now. Mainly JB Hunts, 53 footers. Keep all the chassis right here. That's the chassis pit right there, where we gotta go get chassis and shit. And then that's a flip line right there. That's a flip line where you flip them, the containers onto it. So we already broke that piece of train down. The rest is out here. The little yard mules, the yard goats park. So these are all the JB Hunt chassis, and that's the flip line right there. That guy's waiting to get one of those containers flipped onto the chassis right there. That guy. Huh. So they're just trying to get one of these cotton seed containers before we run to the farm. So yep, this is BNSF, Beaumont Northern Santa Fe Railroad. Once again, the Los Angeles yard, Hoover yard, Hoover main yard is what it's called. Let's go. The BNSF right there. There's the northern folk, southern folk. North folk, southern, something like that.